This is your screencast explaining your color coding homework. So I am showing you from Pages. Here is an essay fully typed up in Pages. So I'm going to export it as a PDF to Notability. Go ahead and get that as a new note. Import to Notability. Then go ahead and go into Notability. Open that up so that you can add on to that document. So in Notability, I'm going to open the sample essay. And now I'm going to go to Schoology. Right there on your assignment tab, you're submitting through body paragraph 2 with color coding. So check out the attachment on there. You are going to then attach that peer edit checklist. So you guys have used this in class. Remember those magnifying glasses, and there's some other key info there. You're going to go ahead and export that using your share arrow in the upper right to Notability. Go ahead and add to the sample or whichever essay you added in. And now import. So now when I go on to Notability, that's all going to be there together. So that peer edit checklist is going to be at the very bottom of your essay. So you are going to be your own peer here, and you're going to edit and make sure you have those key magnifying points on your own essay through body paragraph 2. So I went ahead and color coded mine. Do any colors you want. And then I wrote a key for myself at the top. So go ahead and write a key for yourself. What colors are you using? And just for your introduction setup, you should have your hook, you should have your novel and background, your setting, and definitely you should have your thesis. So I'm going ahead and I'm highlighting my claims. I'm doing them for all 3 body paragraphs. Notice how they match up with my thesis argument. So the first one is social hierarchy. The second claim is addressing cruelty and the perpetrator. And the last one is talking about Dana using her empathy to guide Rufus in that darkness. So I went ahead and did all my claims. Now I'm going to show you just one body paragraph. So transition and lead into your data in your next color. So you should be able to identify all of these in your body paragraphs. Then we've got our warrants in pink because it's the most important. You got to be able to see them. That's a good amount of warrants. I'm highlighting that key wording that's tying it back into the thesis, the argument. What am I really addressing? How are my warrants tying into my claim, to my thesis, showing my argument? And then I'm going to transition in another moment of reinforcing social dominance through pain. That key argument transitioning into our next data, and then leading into our data and giving us that data nicely formatted. And then these warrants are a little lighter here. You should have a little more. This conclusion sentence is a little vague. It's kind of touching on that warrant. So I'm going to show you the other conclusion sentences here. Stronger sentences there. Stronger, wrapping up all the ideas in the paragraphs tied together. So I've got my conclusion sentence throughout. So you're going to do this color coding for each of your body paragraphs. You have 2 body paragraphs, so times 2. And then you're going to go ahead and export, share the note onto Schoology. So mine looks a little different because I'm the teacher, but you'll go into the class. So remember, this peer edit checklist has a lot of good tips. Make sure you're reading through that. Don't use the word it, present tense, third person. And this is your assignment you're turning in. So even if you turned in a draft, you are turning in a color-coded version of your draft to show me that you have gone through all the steps and you're really including everything you need to be including in proper format. Okay, so if you already submitted through your second CDWDW, go ahead and resubmit color-coded. I want to make sure you're getting that edit to yourself. And then just because you submitted doesn't mean you're done. You always want to go back and touch it up and make it better and stronger. Let me know if you have any questions. This is due Friday, March 20th by noon, color-coded through CDWDW number 2, including your introduction. Get that good formatting in there. You've got it. Stay safe. See you later.